Box Swimmer, today we're going to learn about the locative case. Location, location. It answers the question where. How do we say where in Croatian? Gdje, gdje. Now, the feminine noun škola will become školi in the feminine, in the locative case. So it's going to get an I ending. And we're going to use u, which means in and at. And if you can enter it, we use u. So ja sam u školi, I am at school. U školi. Let's take the beach. We're going to use na for beach because it's an open space. So plaža beach is going to become na plaži. Ja sam na plaži. I'm at the beach. Škola became u školi, at school. Plaža became na plaži because it was an open space. Ja sam na plaži. I'm at the beach. Let's take the masculine noun grad. Grad will become gradu in the locative case. Ja sam u gradu. I am in the city. And we use u for cities. U gradu. Let's take Zagreb. Zagreb will become u Zagrebu. Ja sam u Zagrebu. I am in Zagreb. It gets a U ending, and so do neuter nouns. Neuter nouns in the locative case will get a U. So more, the sea, will become na moru. Ja sam na moru. I am at the sea. So plaža changed to na plaži, feminine. Grad changed to u gradu, masculine. And more changed to na moru, neuter. Next, we're going to have a look at the genitive case. It's an important case. Please like and subscribe.